What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another live cop video. Today we're going for the Derschutze Wonderland Joggers as well as the Wonderland t-shirt. So we're going to be going for that soon. We're going to have to make sure we're screen recording on my iPhone as well. So the jogger, I believe it comes in a navy color, and the t-shirt looks like it just comes in white. So we're going to go for the joggers on PC, and we're going to go for the t-shirt on the iPhone. So we're going to screen record because we got 20 seconds left. Screen record as well. Okay, we're screen recording on both. All right, now we're just going to refresh. We're going to add the cart really fast, and let's hope we cop 3, 2, and 1. All right, so it should be live. We got to add the cart fast. Okay, so we're doing joggers on there, t-shirt on there, add the cart. Okay. It's like lagging a little bit right now. Okay, so we got add a size, large. Now we're gonna go to cart, where it doesn't seem like it added. So we added, let's see, large, add to cart. Okay. It's still adding to cart. We're gonna press it again. Okay, it's been added to the cart. We're gonna go to cart, check out. On the phone, cart, check out. Okay. Fill out all the information. Okay. Okay, information's in. Next step, review order. Okay, proceed to PayPal. So it's PayPal only. I forgot about that. Let's maybe rotate this. Next step. Okay, next step. Okay, so it's going through on PayPal on the phone for the t-shirt, and we're also going to be looking up, because we need the password, so. Okay. Okay, so it went through. Okay, logging into PayPal now for the joggers. Hopefully this goes through. It's 2 minutes past the drop, so we're paying now. These are embroidered, and it went through. So we did get both items. So that's pretty awesome. Let's refresh. Let's go to the home page. Let's see what's sold out. So currently, it's still letting us add. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Should I buy another one? Hey Siri, flip a coin. Heads, we're getting another.
Heads.
We're getting another. All right, so we're going for another one. Proceed to checkout. So all the information's on here. Nice, all the information's still saved. Next step, proceed to PayPal. So this went really smooth. If we could get another one, that would be dope. Okay, pay now. And it went through again, so we got it. It's still processing. Something might have messed up. Alright, says thanks for using PayPal. Dope. Alright, so that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Derschutze live cop video. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys have not yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more live cops on Supreme or Derschutze. And also check out this video that YouTube recommends that you watch. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.